Your eyes are trapped. Watch this video to make your own loop video. The trick is duplicating your main clip, splitting it at the perfect transition point, and adding a sharp swoosh sound effect to hide the cut. This creates a seamless audio cliffhanger that locks your viewer into an infinite cycle of rewatches. You don't need a high-end computer or an expensive monthly subscription to create stunning, professional videos that pull in views. In fact, you can do the entire thing right inside your web browser without spending a single dollar. Today, I am showing you the exact zero-budget workflow I use to find premium visuals, edit them smoothly, and export them in high quality with absolutely no watermarks. Let's jump right into step number 1. Our first stop is a website called Pixabay. This is a massive, completely free library of copyright-free videos, photos, and music. Instead of spending hours filming your own content, you can type whatever theme you want into the search bar. For this video, I'm searching for a dynamic, eye-catching abstract visual. Look for videos that are shot in high definition, preferably 1080p or 4K. Once you find a clip that fits your vibe, simply hit the free download button, choose your resolution, and save it to your device. It takes less than 10 seconds, and you're ready to edit. Now, open up your browser and head over to CapCut. We're using the completely free online web version, so you don't even have to download or install a heavy application on your computer. Create a new project, set your aspect ratio, depending on whether you're making a standard video or a short, and then drag and drop your freshly downloaded Pixabay clip directly into the media panel. Drag that clip down onto your editing timeline. This is where the magic happens. We can trim away any boring parts, adjust the speed to make the visual pop, and align it perfectly to our pacing. To really make this look high-end, click on the Effects and Transitions tab on the left sidebar. CapCut Web gives you access to hundreds of trending filters and animations completely for free. Apply a subtle zoom or a clean motion blur to keep your viewers engaged. Next, we need a voiceover, but you don't even need a microphone for this. Just click the text tool, type out exactly what you want to say, and then use CapCut's built-in text-to-speech engine. Choose a clear, natural-sounding voice asset. Click Generate, and the system instantly builds your audio track for you. Once your audio and visuals are perfectly synced up, go ahead and look at the top right corner. Click Export. Choose your final video quality settings and hit Render. You just built a professional video from scratch using $0. If you have any questions about this workflow or get stuck on a step, drop a comment below and I will answer you. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more free editing secrets. See you next one. This is the preview. Now it's your turn to make one. If you hit a wall or have any questions, leave a comment and I'll help you out. Hit subscribe for the next breakdown.